Why does everybody seem to think that
When I
got
was
the prime
walking,
spot?
when I didn't say when I wasn't paying attention.
But I don't think that bait is fooling any fish at all.
I think you got fish right here.
I know about that much about fishing.
Crap, isn't it? That is nice.
This is our backup plan. Hi guys, welcome back to An Adventure Caravan Style. My name is Cherry and we have Darius here and we have David here on the other side. And today we are going to do a fishing competition with 3 of us. We're going to see who catch the first fish and the biggest fish. That's the competition. But I know I'm going to beat this fella here.
Everybody beats that fella. It's like
And
he
you
doesn't even
guys,
show up to the competition.
you guys coming with us. So let's get going.
You're already there. Why are you going back? Come back. Come this way. Darius, it ain't over your head, you know. You got to hold it up. Oh, Darius, big jump in there.
This looks like a good little hole, a little deep hole for a little snap. Possibly even a snap. Possibly time to freshen up the bait. So let's try that. I think this was the wrong direction. I don't see anything but mullet. The bottom has made my bait filthy dirty, so you can't even get a shine out of it. And I think the fish, when I cast, are probably saying, "Who the heck are you kidding? You're not fooling anybody. We're not gonna bite that old nasty piece of whatever the heck you're trying to offer us." Look, there goes a bunch of mullet too, right? If I was stationary with the bow and arrow, I might be able to get one, but they're so far out too. That would be a trouble. Let's try here. This looks kind of bluish. Let's See if there's anything on here. There's a log or something right there. This is the last chance, I think. These fish swimming there. I don't know what they are though. Probably mullet, smaller mullet. Like finger mullet. But I don't think that bait is fooling any fish at all. And I don't think they're gonna bite that bait at all. Well, if nothing else, it is beautiful here. I want beauty and fish. Alright, no luck with the fishing rod, so I'm going over there to the mangroves. I saw some fish swimming by. I'm going to see if I can shoot one with a bow and arrow.
So guys, I'm not sure what I'm hooked up on. It's not coming out, so I'm gonna cut my line. Why is David go across there to see if he could
Wait.
use a bow and arrow and get something?
Ow. Wait, Mom, before you cut the line. Before you cut the line, I will do it.
Oh, there's a toady right there. Good sized toady too. Let's see if I can get over here on the bank without scaring the crap out of them.
So guys, it was, I don't know, some days it good, some days it just, we didn't catch any fish. And you guys can see in the background, Darius got tired and he decided he wanted to play football. So we didn't catch any fish. So I am going to move from by the river here, if you guys could see. And that's David on the other side there. He's trying to catch fish. He decided he's going to catch fish, so we gonna take this competition maybe out to the ocean and see if we have any luck at all whatsoever. So guys, I don't know, just so you guys can see here, David took the competition out to the ocean here. I have not yet rigged up my line, so he is out here. So, catching anything yet? Or you catching a disappointment?
I catch that a lot. Looking for a catch. Barely catch. Catching anything.
Think you'll get a fish right here?
I know about that much about fishing. I just like to do it, but I don't know a whole lot about it. They always say the most of the river is a place where the fish is kind of off the street and come out. Beautiful here though. Where can you go in the world that has a whole bloody beach to yourself? Where?
So guys, we didn't catch any fish today.
Did you even get a bite? I don't even think I got a bite. I think the bottom was the...
I think this was hard today. But as we always do, we always come prepared just in case we don't catch anything. So there's no losers or winners today, just hungry people.
And thank God we have grocery stores.
That's right. So we're gonna grill up some steak, potatoes, and enjoy this wonderful view here. And let's relax. So guys, as you can see, this is our backup plan. Steak and potatoes. And yes, and we have our veg. Can't go wrong without our veg.
Ariana, what you doing over there, baby girl?
Seasoning my steak.
Because you don't like steak, right? So she doesn't like this beautiful steak. So she's seasoning a fish.
A fish that we caught how much videos ago?
Quite a few videos ago.
Was it one when I was Morocco?
I don't know.
And guys, I am doing some vegetables here.
Right, nice. And I'm cooking the steak.
And we have the potatoes.
We have the potatoes already pre-cooked. Look at that nice crust. Look at that nice, beautiful crust. Every good steak deserves a little red wine. And that red wine is, listen to this here. Darn black thing bite my head. Velvety with blackberries and a hint of vanilla and mocha. How can you go wrong with that? That just is like divine. Smell that. God, that smells good. It smells so rich and nice. Them Spaniards know how to make wine, that's for sure. Guess who's in Spain? Hi, Michelle. See him bite my head? See him on my head?
Yeah, he's flying.
Flying or biting or on my head? That was mine. That's
He sit down again.
What? Sitting here, got him, Guys, we finished cooking. This is the end result. Beautiful steak, medium rare. Shireen doesn't really like it that rare. I do. A little bit of wine to go with it.
Ariana
Tastes
fish.
phenomenal. Ariana has
really
a,
good.
well, it looks like a cyclops fish, but nonetheless, it's good. Thanks, boy.
And thank you, Darius. So guys, so hope
We're
you
gonna eat
guys,
this fast because the flies are flying everywhere. Alright?
I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button and press like. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers.